Hi, this is Sam Gwon with Siemens Product Engineering Software and Marketing Team. Today, I'm reviewing the topic of model-based definition. It is a technical approach where the 3D CAD model becomes the single master source for product design, manufacturing, assembly, inspection, and other related activities. Instead of relying upon the separate 2D drawings, model-based definition data contains all the necessary PMI, which stands for product and manufacturing information, such as dimensions, tolerances, annotations, and other specifications directly within the 3D model file. Many of our Siemens customers are considering moving towards MBD engineering workflow and wondered, there are many steps in the roadmap. Where should they start? Today, I would like to review a particular method in the roadmap of moving our customers from drawing-based engineering to MBD. Siemens customers with a fully detailed drawing would have something similar to this, defined by several drawing sheets, views, dimensions, tolerances, and additional GD&T, which stands for geometric, dimensioning, and tolerancing symbols. In many instances, there may be equivalent versions of PDF document of this drawing created when the drawing was released. In working with a supplier or a customer, in a sandbox scenario, we would start by using this drawing and converting all or any of the necessary PMI to support the manufacturing of this design. As we quickly review the master file in NX, we see that there are not any PMI entity exist at this point. Additional clarification, this workflow also supports a non-master model drawing as well. In Design Center NX, the command of convert to PMI has the option of converting all of the drawing content over, or specified sheet, or any selected views, or just simply selecting any of the drawing dimensions directly from the drawing with GD&T to the 3D model. A key discussion of moving towards MBD, this means not all the dimensions, GD&T, are required. Because the 3D models will also be a part of the supplied package, we will demonstrate this option later. For the demonstration purpose, we have converted all the dimensions over. Now, let's review the results in a 3D CAD model. Based on what views were already created in the drawing, we see that from the MBD navigator of the conversion results, they're the same section views, user-defined views, and additionally, the top view. Each all contain original PMI entities. This type of conversion can also be done in a batch mode. Next step in a sequence of working with suppliers or customers is to provide a package of manufacturing information, such as a 3D CAD model with necessary PMI, files such as NX, part file, Parasolid, IGES, or STEP, more specifically 2.14 version, which supports PMI. In addition, having a technical data package will add more clarifications to the communication. Design Center NX provides the ease of published part data such as 3D PDF or JT plus PDF. Users select either of those options, then define the desired template. Currently, I'm using the template that provided by Technical Data Package. Customers can create their own templates with additional embedded information, then including the desired views and output path. Then use the attachment option, adding the desired CAD files as we have listed before. Then input the proper text information for the PDF, such as part number, in this case, we'll put that in, description, design date, and designer. Then we'll execute the command. As we see that once this command is done, the results, we will take a look at the log file that will provide us with additional information where a 3D PDF is published and we'll see the path of the 2 additional files. From the log file, we see the results of the published 3D PDF. We see the test inputs, views used, and the attached IGES and the step file, which can all combine into a zip file. Combining these 3D PDF will benefit the results of data exchange. We launched the published 3D PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Based on the template that we use, we see a main viewport and a carousel of views that can be selected. There are several major benefits of 3D PDF. Each view is in a 3D format. Any views associated with PMI is also published, and when used or selected a dimension, GD&T, the geometry will highlight accordingly. In conclusion, transitioning from a drawing-focused approach to a model-based definition roadmap represent a strategic evolution in product development. By carefully planning the validations and executing the transition, organization can leverage the MBD's potential to improve the communication, boost efficiency, enhance accuracy and quality, and ultimately gain a competitive advantage in a marketplace. Thank you for your attendance today.